Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence.
Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be cleaning to prepare for back to school. Jaden started first grade and I'm gonna let y'all know how that went later on in today's video. But I wanted to, of course, start in the kids' room because I did want to declutter their toys and also their clothes. I also should have wiped down their walls again because their walls are getting dirty again, but I'm gonna save that for another time. I just wanted to get everything decluttered.
Makeup on her face, make sure she pretty, Look inside her soul, you know it's gritty, She don't got time for no man. She barely saving herself. In case you don't understand, 'cause she be outside. They know you're not gonna save her.
Okay, so I got tired of seeing their toys just sitting out in this bin like this. So their room is not that big for me to get a toy chest. So I just got these 2 bins from Walmart. I think they're like 2 for $20. And that way, when they want a toy, they can pull it out from underneath their bed, play, and then when it's time to clean up, put everything back and then slide it underneath the bed. And I don't have to see the toys just out. So that's what I decided to do. And I did get rid of a lot of their toys because it was either the toy was broke or they were missing pieces. And that's just too much fluff, too many little things that could just be floating around and just causing, like, making a mess. And I also noticed that when it was time to clean up, it was taking them more than 10 minutes to clean. So I knew that they had too much stuff. So I was really happy to get their toys decluttered.
Thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now. I thought I would've moved on, but somehow the feeling's still strong.
I'm gonna go ahead and
Passed by, now you're stuck on my mind, thinking I was done now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you.
So I really wanted to go through the kids' clothes and get rid of the things that they can't fit anymore. One, it would make things easier in the morning when I'm getting Jaden dressed for school, and then after school when it's time to give him a bath. I know that all of the clothes that are in his drawer, like the pajamas, they all fit, and it just makes everything easier. And then another thing is I wanted to be able to see exactly what the kids need this winter coming up. So yeah, there was a few things that just needed to go in the trash, but most of his clothes was in really good condition. And I just put them in a bag. I'm going to get a tote and I'm just going to start saving all of Jaden's clothes for the new baby. So when it comes down to decluttering, I like to declutter. I like seeing the aftermath. Sometimes it's like you don't really want to do it, but once you start, before you know it, you're done and you have a bag full of stuff to get rid of.
The same way you used to, I require more, better than we ever had before. Gonna be home, so I couldn't blame. Basic bottom troll, what do you want greater? I am no wave, be surfing. I show you how to get this pay, will I be stacking? Been in a whole lot of pain, now we laughing. Me and Bane making plays till we crashing. Yeah. Don't need to be on the scene, we are the scene. Yeah. Dripping wetter from head to toe, little baby me. Yeah, I get what's mine. Let's remind them, be my ride. All gas. No way they gon' never pace us. No way they could ever break us. On next, we ain't gonna slow up down. All gas. Stay down even when we not up. No way they could ever break us up. On God, they could only try to keep up. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. I know you're grateful that I stayed down. We leave the past in the past, that's all done now. shrink. Every inch of our skin is the blueprint. Follow the lines. They act like they forget. Let's remind them. Be my ride.
So I did mute the clip, but I was basically just trying to tell y'all that I was so happy that I decluttered the kids' clothes because I noticed that Jaden needs some more socks. He has some socks in the dirty clothes, but he still needed, you know, more socks and stuff. And then I was showing y'all that I feel like he has a good amount of graphic tees because we don't really go out that much. So if he's not in school, then he's for the most part in pajamas. Yeah, and then the other side was like all of his uniform shirts, which saved us money this year because last year he was a size small, but we ended up getting him size medium shirts thinking that he would grow in the middle of the year, but he didn't. So now all of his medium shirts fit perfect for this year and we didn't have to buy him any new ones. Soon we have to order them, you know, some more winter stuff and winter pajamas and stuff. So that's what we're gonna do soon.
Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she paid tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on the song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet. I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space.
So when I was doing a grocery order, I saw this cute area rug for the kids' room. It was like $22. So I just got it and I think that is cute. The only thing is just like, obviously the kids got these little fleece Christmas blankets because they messed up their comforters. They messed up their comforters with slime. I hate slime. I don't buy them slime, but somehow they always get slime as a gift. And then they mess up something every time. And this time it was their comforters. So soon I'm going to order them new comforter sets that match each other. And then also, you know, comforter sets that go with the rug and the nightstand. But for right now, it is what it is. They just got these little blankets. I had to wait till my husband got home so he can lift the beds and I can straighten it.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things.
So to help with keeping the kids' room organized, I did get this jewelry box from Lolalet. This jewelry box is really, really cute. It has different sections for different pieces of jewelry. And also it does play music and it's like the cutest little music box. So I will let y'all hear that in just a second. So this is the Sunshine jewelry box, which it just has a different mirror shape and it has a different song playing from the other options that they have. So Mama, she doesn't have any jewelry at the moment because she's still so young and doesn't really know how to keep up with things. But I'm going to keep this box for her. So when she does get some jewelry, she'll be able to store it in this cute little jewelry box. So my daughter, she really loved the jewelry box. She thinks it's so pretty. And I will have the discount code down below and also the information down below if y'all would like to check them out.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better.
So I haven't been able to mop in like 2 or 3 weeks due to me being pregnant and like my back. So I wanted to make sure I got every room mopped, and I'm mopping with Pine Sol. This day, it was a rainy day, so there was a little breeze and I had some of the windows open. So like that fresh air and then the Pine Sol, it just smelled really good.
No one ever knows
where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna fly than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at 0. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision. I'm running out of rope.
So I got some of the dishes going in the dishwasher, and then I'm just gonna wash what's left. I'm gonna fill the sink up with some hot water and some Pine Sol, and that's what I'm gonna use to wipe everything down. And I'm just gonna be brushing all of the crumbs and stuff onto the floor so I can go ahead and get ready to sweep and mop.
I just gotta hold on to my path. What feels right in my heart and my soul. I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. But when I'm down at 0, will it ever stop? I'm only human.
I'm not gonna play hard to get through. I'm not gonna say I'm loving you too. I'm not gonna stay, gotta be alone. Let's talk, meet me at the avenue. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me. Like a song in the water singing down, down, down.
I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's spray for the bottom cabinets and drawers, and I love their products because they work really good. I'm waiting for them to have the fall scents at the Walmart near me. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wipe down the cabinets and then I'm gonna sweep and mop.
Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober.
I don't like to do this all the time because I know it can mess up your floors, but sometimes when the floors are really bad like this, I'll leave the mop soaking wet and I'll go over everything, and then I'll like quickly dip the mop again and get the mop dry, and I'll just pick up all of the water. But like I said, you don't want to do it every single time because they can mess up your floors.
Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Yeah. Maybe I'm leave tonight. We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you
So moving on to the last room, which is our room. So I did sweep and stuff off camera, and I'm just mopping again, like I said, with the pine saw.
Calling out my name, say meet me cities away. Now I go under, hold my breath and flow. Trust the current takes me safe for sure. Now this is my remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. Regaining my energy, energy. Let the seas sway with me, sway with me. My remedy, remedy. Let the seas sway with me, with me. Gaining my energy.
So Jaden's gonna be starting school Monday, and I thought I was ready, but now I'm nervous, right? They wanted the kids to wear clear school bags this year. He got one of them. Then just 2 markers. They said coloring pencils, 2 packs of crayons, a pencil case, scissors, dry erase markers, glue stick, erasers, pencils, 2 composition books, and that was it for the supplies. So it's not that bad. And they wanted him to have some headphones. I don't know how that's gonna work. They don't want the name on anything, and they want all of the supplies and like the stuff that they tell you to bring in one bag. Let them bring, I don't know. Listen, I'm like, whatever makes it easier for them. And then they wanted him to have a water container. So this is gonna be his lunchbox this year. And then the inside, easy to clean. There was just a few extra things that the teacher wanted, and for his last name initial, he needed to bring sandwich bags, gallon bags, a box of tissue, and then a roll of paper towels. So yeah, y'all, he's ready to go back to school. I'm a little nervous, but I know everything's gonna be okay. So thank y'all so much for making it all the way towards the end of this video, and I will see y'all in my next one.